Karate Cats. Play. How to play. Sound off. Settings. Exit. Play. Welcome, apprentice. I am Sensei, the first of the Karate Cats, and I will be your teacher. This is your dojo, where you will learn to master your skills alongside the very best Karate Cats. If you train hard and improve your skills, many Karate Cats will join you here. Good luck! Hit the play button to start your training. White belt. Ah! Kapow! Wham! Choose the correct spelling. Boom! Where does the question mark go? Kapow! That was an awesome round! Wow! Return to dojo. Welcome back, apprentice. The smell of fresh treats. Resist the urge to eat your treats and swap them for new stuff to upgrade your dojo. Karate Cats will only join you if they are impressed. Press that button to swap your treats for new stuff. Choose an item to upgrade. Look sharp, you have a visitor. Karate Kittens. Play. Brown yellow belt. You've unlocked free play mode. Epic! You will be a master soon. Return to dojo. Yeah. Oh, I'll get it one of these days. Time to upgrade your dojo. Swap your treats for stuff. Perfect choice. Donut Cat. Orange belt. Choose a level mode. All questions. There's no rush in free play mode. Play for as long as you like. Oh, well, better out than in. Your dojo is looking fab, but there is always room for improvement. Continue your training and get more treats. Great session, apprentice! Choose an item to upgrade. Look sharp, you have a visitor. Scratchy Cat. Green belt. You've unlocked challenge mode! Choose the adjective. What type of sentence is this? Where does the comma go? Oof! That was an awesome round! Oh, I was just... Never mind. Choose an item to upgrade. Splendid selection! Dangly Cat. Blue belt. Chop the adjective. Boom! Student becomes master. Wow! La da dee 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 da 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 la da dee 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 dee. Yeah, I love that one. Splendid selection. Ninja Cat. Purple belt. Choose the noun. Big, nasty doggy. Who was that? Oh, it's you. Milk cat. Brown belt. What is underlined below? Where does the apostrophe go? I knew I left one down there somewhere. Sumo cat. Red belt. What type of sentence is this? Oof! Boxing cat. Black belt. Yeah! Oh, I'll get it one of these days. Choose an item to upgrade. Ooh, a karate cat. Jean-Claude Van Cat. Challenge mode. Go for a streak in challenge mode, but get one wrong and it's all over until you try again. Kerplop. Oof. Harp. Don't worry, try again.